Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth review about the CRM website called Agile. So let's get started. Agile CRM is a popular CRM software that helps your business manage their interaction with customers. Think of it like a central hub for all your customers' data. It keeps track of things like names, email address, phone numbers, and past interactions. However, Agile CRM does more just than storing your information. It also has tools for marketing automation and sales automation. This means it can automate tasks like sending emails, scheduling appointments, and also track deals. This is free up your times so you can focus on building a relationship with your customers. Agile CRM is designed to be a user-friendly. If even you are a new CRM software, you can still use this platform. Now, talking about the good features about this platform, Agile CRM has a lot of cool features that makes it stand out from the crowd. These tools can help your business grow by keeping your customers happy and organized. So let's look at some of the best features from this platform that make it stand out. So one of these best features that makes it stand out, which is one of these, is the contact features, together with the company's features and a deal features, together with the online calendar features and a report features, which makes it stand out. Now, talking about the pricing plan, you have the free plan, which is a trial, you have the starter, the regular, and the enterprise. So you can just simply get back to the website using the link in the video to check out which of this plan would be a better option for you, and check out the list of all features that is enlisted for each plan to help you make an informed decision on which plan would be the best plan for your business. Now, talking about the pros and cons, every tool has its strengths and weakness. So let's take a balanced look at what makes a Agile CRM shine and even more okay for you to use, and also we're going to look at the weakness together with the strength. Now, talking about the strength, it comes a true in one platform. It is very affordable price, powerful automation features. It is also easy to learn and use, great for small business, mobile app available, and integrate with other online tools. Now, talking about the weakness, it can be complex at times. Reporting could be improved, occasional glitch reported by other users, and also customer support can be very slow. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this CRM website and how you think it can works better for you.